Today, we'll show you how to easily manage kitting and bundling in the C2W Inventory System. Let's break down how to efficiently manage these operations with fewer steps. Different from the traditional manufacturing method, kitting and bundling allow you to create and complete the manufacturing order in one single action inside C2W Inventory System by enabling the Auto-Complete MO setting, which is particularly useful when items are prepackaged. Go to Settings, Company Profile, Settings, check the box Auto-Complete MO. Add finished products and components. Begin by entering all your finished products and their components into the system. This crucial first step helps you keep track of what items are available and what needs to be produced. You can check out our quick start guide on how to add items in our system. Add the bill of materials, BOM. Next, define the bill of materials for each finished product. At this stage, you're setting up relationships between products and components, without changing any inventory numbers. Go to the Inventory module, Manage Item screen, select the finished product, switch to the Bill of Materials tab, select and add all the component products used to create this kit or bundle. Identify the necessary quantities and save it. Create plus complete manufacturing order. Create and immediately complete the manufacturing order as we already enable the Auto-Complete MO setting. This action instantly updates the inventory, increasing the stock of the finished product and decreasing the stock of components. Go to the Inventory module, Manufacturing Order screen, select the finished product, add the quantity you want to create for this kit or bundle and choose the location where you want this finished product to be stored, save it. You can modify the location for each component as well. If you need to add or delete a component, you can do it on this screen. When does the finished product inventory update? When the finished product is sold, you can then create a sales order. At this stage, the system reserves the quantity for the order. Once the product is ready to ship, perform SO picking, which then deducts the finished product from inventory. Check out our detailed video on how to create a sales order and manage SO picking. For a more streamlined process, use the sales order interface to create and complete manufacturing orders directly. Upon receiving a sales order for a bundled or kit product, start by creating the sales order and then go to Manage Sales Order screen. Before the SO picking process, click the button, Navigate to Manufacturing to create and complete the manufacturing order directly from the sales order interface. This method saves time by eliminating the need to switch between different screens. And that's it. Now you know how to efficiently manage kitting and bundling in C2W Inventory. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments.